Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to log into Upwork account. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. At the very top, you can see this search box. Type in there www.upwork.com. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top, you can find this option of sign up. Just tap on it. Now here you can see this option of login. Tap on it. Here you have to type in your username or email that is associated with your Upwork account. In the case you have created your Upwork account continuing with Google or Apple, then you can tap on the option of continue with Google or Apple. After you are done, tap on continue with email. Now here type in the password of your Upwork account. If you want to save your login info, you can tap on this small square box, keep me logged in. In the case you have forgot the password, you can tap on the option of forget password to recover it. And after you are done, tap on the option of login. So here you can see that I just signed into my Upwork account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to sign into Upwork account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.